On a previous episode, won a storage unit for $168 in Tucson, Arizona. Had some nice items in it, but we also found a reality here of some terrible things here, guys. And, you know, the world we all live in is not perfect, but there's craziness everywhere. There's no doubt about it. And this unit here was an emotional ride. It was a roller coaster. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. It's the craziness. This is why I keep chargers from all different types of units, because you never know when you need one. The unit didn't come with one, so I found this in the garage for this Yamaha keyboard. Let's see if it works. All right, here we go. Power. And come on. Yeah, buddy. Let's play a little jingle. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this air mattress deploys. Let's see if it's got a hole. There are so many of these in this unit. Oh, that's not a good sign right there. It's been patched. Let's see if it still holds air. All right, let's go right here. Let's turn it on, maybe. Well, it's been a half hour. It's holding air, but when you sit on it, you can hear the air coming out, so that's a bummer. All right, you might remember this one here. This is the one with the Nintendo Switch box. And I didn't really go through everything. I just kind of moved it around. So let's open this one up. Maybe there's something that we missed here. Because I just ran through it really quick in the video. And I know there was some Wii controllers down there and stuff like that. There was that camcorder down here. So let's dig through this. All right, so here's everything that was out of that bin. We have the Nintendo Switch box, which it's empty, along with the controller. Those are empty too. Those boxes, I'll probably just hold on to it. At some point down the road, I'm sure I'll find a Switch out there, and it's always worth more money with the box, so no problem holding on to that. Christmas lights in here. We found Clifford. Hello, Clifford. He's brand new with tags. Kohl's Cares, so we'll look him up on eBay. He might bring some money. Some of these Kohl's Cares plush do pretty well. So they're only $5, but some of them go for 20 and up. So we'll see how that one works out. If there's not sellable, we'll just sell it locally. And here we've got Nintendo Wii power adapter, AC adapter, Xbox controller, not controller, but just a cord. Some random cords right here. This is my zip ties. I just got done zip tying this stuff because you can be crazy if you don't zip tie it. Nintendo Wii sensor. We got a wheel. We got two controllers here. We've got a black one and a white one, along with this. Maybe, what does this do? I don't know. Some kind of accessory for the controller. We got the gun. We got two nunchucks. Also got these AirPods. I was like, oh man, are these Apple? They're not though. They're SoundMates. And looks like you just charge them up, so maybe those are worth something. We got some Sony chargers here. We got another Sony AC adapter that they bought at Goodwill. And iHome speaker. Nice little Sony camera here. This, I can't find the battery charger for it, but it sells for like $20 if I had a battery for it. What do we got here? Samsung phone. Camcorder here with the battery, which is nice. And I believe that one of these is the charger for it. So we'll have to look this model up here, but it does have night shot, and that's kind of what you want to look for with some of the camcorders. Night shot ones always do pretty well. This here is interesting. Check this out. Sony memory sticks. Look at all that data. So I believe these are all, hopefully there's footage on these, because I believe these go with this camcorder as you can record in the hard drive or these external Sony Duo sticks, I think they're called. So yeah, not too bad. Unfortunately, no Switch, no Nintendo Wii, and this is kind of going to wrap up the video here, guys. We'll see how we do with all this here, but before I end this video, I'm going to just play a couple of clips here and see if this thing's working and what's on it. All right, so let me talk to you guys really quick about this. And I don't really know what to say, okay? When you buy a storage unit, you go through people's personal belongings, a story starts to unveil itself, right? I try to be really transparent here on the YouTube channel, showing you exactly what I'm seeing and not trying to just assume things, right? You know, like for example, this story here was a divorced mom, 2 kids, and there was a husband involved, ex-husband involved. Well, I'm digging through things here and I find letters, okay? And I'm not going to show this letter here. There was a lot of, just a lot of letters from prison with the individual's name on it. So I Google it, right? I want to know what's going on. And boom, here we go. Child pedophile, registered sex offender. So this explains a lot of what's happening here with vomit on clothing, with just dirty dishes, and I have really harsh words for people like that hurt young kids. And I don't know, because I can't find out if he hurt his own family, his own kids, or it was somebody else. Either or, it's disgusting, it's disturbing, and it's not cool, right? It should not be tolerated. And people like that, in my opinion, you know, need to be dealt with. Swift justice, justified justice. But that's not now or later, you know what I mean? That's just what it is. I feel really heavily about that. But reading some of these letters here, it sounds like he was trying to get in touch with his kids and apologizing to his kids. So I don't know the whole story here, guys. All I know is that he's a pedophile, he's a sex offender, and he lives down the road, right? We've got this stuff here, which is a lot of the memory sticks here, okay? I watched some clips, not on these, but on the camera. This camera here has a hard drive on it. And curiosity, right? Their house was immaculate. Their house was a decent house, a nice home. They had nice things, you know, which some of those things were actually in this storage unit, believe it or not. But something happened here that is unheard of. It's mind-blowing, it's sick, right? And I don't know what to expect watching anything further on these, but obviously if I do see something that's inappropriate, I will be turning it into the authorities, right? But there is a lot of footage on here. Like, just on this hard drive alone, there's 290 video clips, you know, and it's like 140 or 220 hours of footage. And obviously I'm not gonna watch every little thing, you know, over time I will. Plus it's gonna take me a long time to just delete everything. I wanna sell this camcorder because there's money in it. You know, I think this is a $100, $150 camcorder. You know, the nice night shot on it, it works, it's fully charging, and everything's gonna be good. But I'm just concerned about what's on the footage. So with that being said, guys, you know, I know a lot of you have messaged me and said, Mike, you know, you're going too far with these storage units. I'm not, okay? This is the reality that I'm trying to show you guys. This is my way of expressing to all of you guys what it's like to buy a storage unit. It's not for everybody. I mean, a lot of people like watching other channels that are out there, other TV shows that are out there, where it's just glorified. And look, we won, we made $1 million. Look, we paid $5 and made $50,000. I'm showing you the reality because if some of you are out there like me and you're digging through these units, right? Understand that it could be emotional, you know, it could be frustrating, it could be disturbing, it could be disgusting, and it could be profitable. That's why I do it. So with that being said, I appreciate all of you guys watching the channel here that are sticking around over all these years. It's been a fun adventure, and you know, we got some more stuff coming up ahead. Want to let you guys know the next video that's coming up will be the end of this series. This series will wrap up. I'll show you exactly what I sold. Again, I'm trying to shoot for that two-week turnaround on these units, guys. You know, I'm trying to get in there, hustle, get the money out of it, and we'll just watch everything else sell down the road. But I'm trying to make the videos to show you guys here, if you work hard enough, you organize stuff, you go through stuff, you have systems in place, you know, within 2 weeks, you should be making some money back on these units if they're profitable, right? So again, thanks for watching. Go out there, be great. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Next time out of here, peace. Ooh, pedophiles. I don't know what to say about that. Go out there and be great. Live your life. And don't hurt little children.
chase misprinted lies. We face the path of time, and yet I fight this battle all alone. Oh, I want to cry too.